The Rabbit and a Bird story.
It is spring. The rabbit comes out of his hole in the field. He saw a boy carrying a cage containing a bird. The boy hung the cage down a tree and sat to rest. The rabbit approached the cage. "Help me, my friend," the bird said. The rabbit felt sorry for the bird and whispered to him, "Pretend to be sick." The boy was angry. "Oh, rabbit, go away from my bird," he shouted. The rabbit fled away and hid behind a fence. The bird turned upside down. He raised his legs and closed his eyes. "What afflicted my bird?" the boy cried with amazement. He opened the cage and stretched out his arm to check the bird. The bird quickly slipped from the cage and fled away. He stopped on a tree and the rabbit ran towards him. The bird burst near him and chirped, "Thank you."
The moral of this story is,
Kindness is giving hope to those who think they are all alone in this world.
please like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you.